Hey everyone, welcome to my studio. I've been working on this large mosaic commission for a while, and I'm down to the last part, this sky up here. This is mosaics striking the rock in the desert, and it is one of 3 mosaics that will be going around the sides of a fountain at a church in a courtyard. Here is my original sky as I have drawn it out, and here it is and what it looks like when I have it blown up. I'm doing an ombre from the sun yellow to blue. And so I don't have a transition color between the yellow and blue, so I'm just gonna have to mix it. And what I've done is I put a couple I cut out a couple suns just to see what they look like. And I have a white one here. I think this is what I'm gonna do for my sun. It's a little blocky, so I might, grind these pieces just a little bit to make them a little bit more round. I think I'm going to go with this, and then I'm going to sit it there and not glue it and just kind of live with it while I work on the rest of the sky. I'm starting with this area right here, which is a transition area in the sky, where I go from 100% blue, which is right here, to 100% yellow, which will be right here. So that means that right here in the middle, I've marked it because that is where it needs to be half and half. And just as a reminder to myself to keep the mix moving along in the right proportions so that it's not too heavy in one area and light in another, but keeps it pretty even throughout. a terrible thing. I laid this glass in without checking with the glass that was already there, and it does not line up. So I'm going to tear this out and adjust the spacing so that it lines up with this. Actually, I'm probably just going to come from this way and work my way that way instead of working in the middle. And that way it will line up. Kind of a bummer, sort of amateurish mistake there, but needs to be done. Pretty easily. I had just laid these down yesterday, so it's not too bad. And I'm able to scrape the thinset off so that I can use these pieces again. And it's not a total waste. the sun looks like the brightest thing in the sky. That was very important, and how the transition is very smooth in both directions. So I've been looking at grout colors, and that's not until after I install, but there she is, all ready to go. That's putting it together. Thanks for watching. See you next time.